Welcome back to Shopsicle Garage. Today, my mom's Tahoe is broken, so now we gotta fix it. Let's get it moved over towards the shop so that we can look at it better.
Alright, Azlynn's right. The Tahoe's broken. So we gotta move closer to the shop where we can work on it. I don't know if you guys can hear that noise. That's the fan on hyper speed. And Tahoe is off. Here's the key. It's not in it. So, yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so we had the fan running with the Tahoe turned off. Temperature gauge is also just showing 160 and not moving, which indicates to us that we need a new coolant temperature sensor. So we got one right there, and Azlynn's gonna swap it out for us. So let's get started getting this thing out of the way.
Yeah, I'm just that W that I can do it by myself. Nah.
You're going to start by removing that hose clamp there, and there's another one on the back there. You're going to get off, and then we're going to take off those couple clips. That one and that one. I'll take it all the way off, just at least to where you can get this hose off. So you're probably there. There you go. Get that tube off. Then there's one right here. Alright, how's that? You almost there?
Whoop.
Looks like it. See if you can pull this back.
Pull it back.
This whole big thing. See if you can pull it back towards you.
Yeah.
Now she's got that free, should be able to pull this thing off and get it out of the way. It's completely disconnected.
Ew, there's mice on it.
There's mice
turds.
Oh, that's fine. We'll move it out of the way. Now what we got?
A hole.
A hole. That's the throttle body. Let's see if we can get you a little closer. Whoa, got that close.
Bro.
Alright, so our sensor is
Owie.
right there. Sometimes that clip can be in the way. Looks like it's probably okay. So it has a safety clip on there, so I might have to take that out first.
Yeah, because people like to child-proof things.
Yeah.
And sometimes the child-proof things are adult-proof too.
So push down on that and pull up, and try not to flip it on the ground like I just did. That's fine.
Oi. Oh, I see it.
Okay.
Brief pause. Just go over here and notice those pretty flowers right there. Well, I'm just gonna remove this now, but it's not working.
Squeeze on it. There you go. Pull it right up.
Yeah, I did it.
And then we need a 19mm.
I'm so W, right?
Yep.
For what?
Goes right on top of the sensor. Right there. See, make sure it goes down all the way and straight. And then you're gonna loosen
This
that
is
up.
on loosen, right?
Huh?
This is on loosen, right?
Well, you want to loosen it. Let me hold it straight for you. Push hard. Push hard. Oh, you got it.
Yay.
Now, we may lose a little coolant. You can try to help avoid that by taking off the upper radiator hose first and leaving some.
Ew, there's a whole bunch of mice poo-poo.
That's weird. But we're just going to risk losing a little coolant. So all it's going to do is drip down on the belts and squeak for a few days till it fixes itself.
Can you help hold it straight again?
Sure. Sorry, my head's in your way. Have the thing. Okay, you should be able to remove it by hand.
Wait. It fell off.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
We did not lose any coolant, so that's good. Now, let's take a look at our new one. Oh, yeah, that's crusty.
Ewy. Why is it wet?
Because it goes in coolant, ma'am.
Oh.
Coolant is wet.
Oh, hey, there's
There it is. There's the old one.
There's coolant right there at the top.
Yep. That's why I said we might lose some, but we did not, so that's good. All right, we got our new one here. And
I thought there was a chunk of something in it, but that was my face reflection in it.
Okay, so it's already got some Teflon sealant already on there, so you don't have to put the other on there. If you want to check size real quick, same thing. So all we gotta do is stick. Oops. I don't know. Show that.
You were side by side comparison.
Same size. Okay. I don't know if I messed that up or not. Now we're just gonna thread that right in and start it by hand. Get it as tight as you can by hand first to make sure it's not cross-threaded or anything, and it's aluminum going into. So screws are missing from your ratchet. That's weird. All right.
Well, who stole my screws?
We just grabbed this from
Okey-doke.
Orielly for $25. So cheap fix.
You call $25 cheap?
Yeah, for this. $25.
Is it meant to be as tight as possible?
You don't have to Wonder Woman it.
Uh.
Let me see. Let's see how it's like. Yeah, that's just because of the temp one. You want to keep going, or do you want me to do it?
Okay.
The old one, you can see. It's like it.
Bro, I'm about to make my chair fall over. That's how hard I'm pushing on. Yeah. Bro, why'd it click?
Just be careful. You don't need to go insanely hard. Let me check it again. We don't break it off into the aluminum. It's not there yet.
Well, you can finish doing that.
I can't hardly reach it. I'm going to come around.
Whoa!
Oh, you were just there. Tad. Right there. And then we'll just go just a tad more. She's in there. Where's the clip? Right there. All right. Oh, Azlynn did knock off that safety clip. It fell onto the skid plate down here, and she used a magnet to push it off onto the ground. Let me see. Maybe I can try to grab that real quick. Well, it was easy. It came out. I don't think it was really doing anything. And it still clips in, so I might just leave it out for now. What do you think?
Good enough.
Good enough. Just pull on the clip, make sure it's locked in place. The connector. Yep, it ain't going anywhere. All right, so that's on. Now we need to put the big air thingy back on. There you go. You can see how that throttle body's at an angle. You're going to have to kind of angle it a little bit.
Like this?
And get this under the hoses over here. Yeah.
Brother. Ew, why my hand dirty?
And it's on there. That's one. Okay, here's your screwdriver. So you can reach back there and tighten those back up.
How tight?
Tight. I don't want any air leaking out of here. We get the wrong air readings, the computer won't know what to do.
So like so tight that you have to be grunting to fix it?
Not quite that tight.
Bro.
Well, we can't see anything right now because you're in the way. I'm in the way.
Yeah.
Sorry, kids. Didn't know we were all in the way.
Bro, I about fell over. It almost fell over.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I need to check it.
Yes.
Well, we were kind of in the way and you couldn't see what we were doing, so you probably, that part will be edited out.
Bro.
She thinks she got it, so let's check. Pretty much there. We're just tighten just a smidge more.
Bro, should I say it?
And then tighten that one back up. And I'll stick these back on. They just push right on. Make sure your head's not in the way.
My head is probably in the way.
Why are we on 3x zoom? That's the problem. Let's unzoom. There you go.
Whoa. Perfect.
Yep, you had it. So I didn't get the other one snapped on yet. Did I snap this back on? It's on there. I'll get the other one on real quick.
Bro, you're gonna have 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, 1,000 comments.
I doubt it. That's back on.
Well, he's checking for washer fluid now, but if you've made it this long into the video, then you should definitely comment 6-7. Intensely staring at you.
I couldn't find any washer fluid. We don't need it for what we were specifically doing. Just noticed it was low.
Whoa.
So double check everything's back to. Say what?
The magical numbers.
The magical numbers?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can even see me in the phone right now.
It doesn't matter.
How about I got 2 things? How about I say 6, 7?
That was W.
Anyway, make sure we got everything back together. We have that. We're all back together. So throw away the old one in the trash over there. Oh, we should probably start it and make sure.
Oh yeah, you did make that, by the way.
The fan doesn't run.
Yeah. Yeah, the fan doesn't want to run away. Well, hopefully it doesn't want to run away.
I just fix it. All right, well, that first test was a fail. It was still running. So we disconnected the negative battery terminal for 10-15 seconds to reset things. Plugged it back in, and let's give it a shot now.
Not 10 or 15, 6 or 7 seconds. I think it worked. W.
Off, ease back out. My hand, it is. I don't know if you could hear. All right, so that took care of that.
It was rattling.
Well, probably. Just had to reset everything. Well, Azlynn got her mom's 2017 Tahoe fixed with a new coolant temp sensor. So, pretty quick and easy job. We did lose that little clip thing. Don't let me forget to pick that up after we move the Tahoe out of the way. Maybe we'll put it back on, maybe we won't. Probably not. Anyways, thanks for watching, and
don't forget to eat your shopsicles.
just saying.
We're running out.